And what are we talking about this week? Of course, everybody's talking about the new ChatGPT-4o imaging
Dude
feature, right?
Thank God. You know, what I realized after going nuts and using it for many days was that one of my favorite things to use, but also to show people about ChatGPT is the T part, the transformer part. The part where you can take what it has sent you. You know, you ask it, you prompt it, however you're going to prompt it. Right. It comes back and gives you a result. And then you say, all right, well, I want to tweak that. I want to use it. We've talked about Canvas on the show before to really interactively work with text. But even just prompting back and forth, you can tweak text and have it work well. DALL-E, the previous image engine, if you gave it a prompt and the image that it gave you was not exactly what you wanted, getting it to tweak that for you, you were out of luck. There was no transformer on the image. Now, dude, it's there. It is truly ChatGPT for images.
Yeah, it's crazy. I started playing around with it. Everybody posted like Studio Ghibli,
obviously,
images, all that kind of stuff. And I'm like, I want to do that. And the fact that you can upload an image or even now, like I can sketch out just a rough idea of what I want, take a photo of that, upload the sketch and say, look, I want this circle. I want it to say this. The colors are royal blue and yellow. Here's the Pantone numbers that I want to use. And it's amazing.
I never thought to do that. This is why I like doing this segment. Wow.
Yeah. So you just kind of give a rut because you have it in your head. Like I could tell, I want it to do this, and here's these people standing next to it, and this in the house in the background, whatever. And you put it up there. Then using the transform feature, like, no, okay, close, but I want you to change this and make these people look like this or and you could just walk it through step by step by step, and it's dramatic, man. It's amazing.